Hey, what's up, good people? Hope you can hear me well. Still traveling and trading. Market is not looking good. There's no way to sugarcoat it. It's just not looking good. 10-year bond yields are raising. The threat of inflation is bad. The Fed's printing money is bad. Everything that's bad for the market is happening right now. If you're just into the market, you're actually in at a good time, and for those that are dollar cost averaging, buying the dips, you just can pick a stock today and it's down. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. For those of you that's not familiar with the page, my name is Larry Jones, and this is Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you could do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. I apologize for the noise, but I'm here in loud Las Vegas. And so let's talk about this market. Stock market is, as you can see, everything is red in every sector. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, all down, getting hit hard. Tech is getting hit extremely hard. And a lot of people are wondering, what should I do with my money? For those of you that's buying dips and you just got dry powder to just keep going in, you could pick a stock. But I'm going to tell you, as for me, as for Larry, what I'm going to be doing through this season is just keeping you guys informed and not throwing new stock at you, because here we are in a situation where we're trying to catch a falling knife. And no one knows where the bottom is. Of course, if you think this is the bottom, this is the time to dollar cost average in. But I don't know. There keeps being lower lows, and so I'm sitting still. I'm not buying anything right now. And even if you're going into banks and consumables, even those right now, because of what happened yesterday, is not looking so hot. Even Bitcoin took a dip. I'm going to just tell you guys that if I was going to be buying some dips, to be honest with you, I would be buying it in cryptocurrency. It's a safer move right now. There's a lot of rotation going on, and people are just moving from stock to stock. They're definitely dumping tech. Tech is tanking. Technology is getting hit the absolute worst. And so myself, for my high growth, high conviction, long-term portfolio, I told you guys I'm in it for the long run. I'm not trying to do anything until 2025. So if you're just getting into the market and you want to start building positions for long term, now's the time to be looking at what you should buy. A lot of us have gotten caught. There's a lot of my stock that just got caught in this downward. We just come off of correction. But what I would tell you guys is every day things change. Mike Tyson said, everybody has a game plan until you get hit in the face, right? And so what's happening is all investors are getting hit in the face. And I would suggest to you guys to, number one, have your stop losses set. If you don't know what that is, I suggest you Google it. You can actually go to this page and Google it. And I've done some videos on trailing stop losses and how to set those. I would absolutely be doing some profit taking. I've been saying that. And I'm going to tell you guys that what I'm doing is any stock that I sell to do any profit taking, I'm not immediately buying new stock. I'm just cashing up, keeping my cash ready until this market shows a sign of recovery. And so that's what we want. We want to see signs of recovery. So if you're not going to catch it at the absolute bottom if you're trying to buy recovery, okay? You got to wait till it bottoms out and then shows clear signs that the market is moving up. And so you can't time the market. Don't try to catch the bottom, the very bottom. You're going to fail every time. No one has been successful in perfectly timing the bottom and perfectly timing the top. All right, good people. So I just want to tell you guys, we're just going to be monitoring it and seeing where it is. I'm traveling, I'm doing a lot of flying, so there's periods of times where I can't get to you guys and see what the market is doing. But I just want to keep you guys informed right now. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You have to do your own research before you make any financial decision and consult with your financial advisor, okay? None of us are. We are all in this, but I will tell you that this market is here's something you need to look at. So just a few days ago, I told you to look at March lows, because the March lows of 2021 was a sign of the bottom. That was the March lows. Now what I'm going to tell you is, before you sell any stock for a gain or a loss, look at 2020 March lows and then go back to look at 2021 March lows, right? But then go back to 2020 March lows. And so that's what you want to do to kind of see where this market is, and kind of use a kind of a scale, because all we could do is look in the past to kind of gauge where the future is going to be. All right. Hopefully you guys could hear me over this loud car that just pulled up beside me. I'm going to be traveling and continue to trade, but I want to keep you guys informed. I always tell you guys, I love you guys, I really do, and we're going to get through this season. We are, but we're going to change. Myself, I'm going to monitor the system day by day. Things will change. Everything is not the same. And remember this, whatever you heard yesterday, things change daily in the market, and you have to change your game plan in the market. All right, good people, I'm gonna leave it right there. I don't know if I'll be able to get to you tonight, but I sure will try, okay? All right, so as always, live, love, laugh, and learn. Whoa. Come on, Jason! Wow. Just look at that. That's where we're going. This is the stairway to, all I can think about is that song, Stairway to Heaven, and Moses going on the mountain. This is where we come from. How you guys doing? And this is where we're headed. It's my buddy Ron feeding the squirrels. He's heavy-handed, so he's giving all of our survival food away. I'm sorry, I don't have any more for you, Mr. Squirrel. Yeah, just go on here and eat that.